If you need EPA Method 9 certification in Alabama, there's now a better way to get certified without attending a traditional smoke school. Environmental professionals in Alabama can now use VR Smoke School to earn Method 9 certification. Our certifications are the same as those received from traditional smoke school and are recognized by the Alabama Department of Environmental Management. VR Smoke School is an EPA-approved program under ALT-152, which expands EPA Method 9 by establishing the procedures for certification using a virtual reality headset. Our founders co-authored ALT-152 with the EPA and bring more than 45 years of smoke school training experience, incorporating direct regulatory expertise into the design of the VR Smoke School program. Our program allows you to certify anytime, from anywhere, without travel or scheduling issues. And you don't need any VR experience. It also provides consistent testing conditions, eliminating weather issues and poor backgrounds that can make traditional smoke school a guessing game. And studies reviewed by the EPA have shown that our program provides more effective training compared to traditional smoke school. Getting started is simple. Register for a free account in 30 seconds and access the entire program from your computer. You'll get immediate access to our comprehensive online lecture and unlimited practice tests. A virtual reality headset is only required for the certification test and can be purchased from any retailer. One headset can be used for an unlimited number of students and certifications. And the best thing about our program, you only pay when you pass. No test limits, no commitment, no pressure. 100% private testing that is more effective, more efficient, and less expensive than traditional smoke school. Earn your EPA Method 9 certification from the smoke school experts. To get started or learn more about our certification program in Alabama, visit vrsmokeschool.com.